Good morning, student. In the previous board work, we have done 6.4 exercise up to second question. Let us go for the third question. What is given in the third question? AM is a median of a triangle ABC. AM is a median. That means M is the midpoint of BC. So BM and MC are equal. They are asking to prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times of AM. 2 times of AM. They are given the clue. Use the triangle ABM and AMC. Both the triangle are given. So I am taking the triangle ABM. ABM. What is the BM is the M is the midpoint and BM is one side, AM is one side and BAB is one side. So according to the concept what we are seeing, sum of two sides is greater than the third side. I am taking AB plus BM will be greater than AM. So AB plus BM is greater than AM because we need that prove that 2 times of AM. 2 times of AM we need. Okay. So I am taking in terms of M. AB plus BM. AB plus BM equal to A greater than AM. AB side plus BM side greater than the third side AM. First solution. Then I am taking the other triangle AMC. AMC. In that also I am taking AC plus MC. This MC plus AC will be greater than the third side AM. Then I am adding first equation and the second equation. AB plus BM greater than AM. AC plus MC greater than AM. Adding. So I am adding this, what I am getting? AB plus AC. AB plus AC. BM plus MC. BM plus MC. Which should be greater than, same symbol should come 2 times of AM. AM is that, so 2 times of AM. So what you are getting? AB plus AC plus BM plus MC greater than 2 times of AM. And what is BM and MC? In your figure you see BM and MC is nothing but BC. So I am writing as AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2 times of AM. That is proved. Okay. Follow step by step. Same way in the fourth question. A quadrilateral is given. What they are asking to prove? Prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is greater than AC plus BD. Sum of all the sides should be greater than sum of the diagonals. So part by part I am taking. First I am taking ABD triangle. ABD triangle. In that one what I am taking? We want AB. So AB plus of AD equal greater than the third side. AB plus of AD greater than the third side. First condition. Then I am taking ABC triangle. ABC triangle. Then AB plus BC. AB plus BC is greater than AC. One side. And third triangle I am taking ADB. ADC. ADC I have taken. So AD plus CD. AD plus CD is greater than AC. This third one. Then fourth one I am taking inside BCB. BCB. In that one BC plus CD. BC plus CD is greater than BD. Then all the four I am adding left hand side together, right hand side together. If I am adding all this left hand side, 2 times AB, 2 times BC, 2 times CD and 2 AD 2 times. So I have taken bracket 2. 2 into A plus AB plus BC plus CD plus AD bracket. Greater than symbol is there. Then I am adding the right hand side BD 2 times, AC 2 times. So 2 bracket AC plus of BD. Now I am cancelling 2 and 2. Cross multiply we will divide. So therefore AB plus BC, CD plus AD is greater than AC plus BD. Okay. Sum of the diagonal AB all the side sum is greater than the sum of the diagonal. Understood? Part by part you have to take the triangle and you have to use the concept of the sum of 2 sides greater than the third side. That is fourth question. Fifth question. You see, same quadrilateral. They are asking you to sum of AB side, BC side, CD side and AD side is less than 2 times of AC plus BD. That means what? From here you are saying 2 times of AC plus BD should be greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. That means sum of all the sides should be less than the 2 times of the diagonal length. That is given here. Once again I have taken the same diagram ABC intersecting at O. So AOB triangle I am taking. Triangle AOB, this triangle. So OA plus OB will be greater than AB. First concept I am taking with respect to side. And the second triangle BOC I am taking. BOC. OB plus OC is greater than BC as per the triangle concept, and COD, OC plus OD is greater than CD. Then AOD triangle, OA plus of OD is greater than AD. So four results we are getting from the four triangle AOB, BOC, COD and BOA or AOD. So we are getting this one. Add left hand side, add right hand side. So adding 1, 2, 3 for all the equation, we are getting, if we add 2 times of AO you will get, 2 times of OB you will get, 2 times of OC you will get, 2 times of OD you will get. So I am taking 2 common here. OA plus OC plus OB plus OD bracket should be greater than this side. I am adding AB, BC, CD and AD. So AB plus BD. So what I am doing here, if you are adding here AB plus BD plus CD plus AD, this is all the sides of the quadrilateral. This OA and OC is what? OA and OC is what? Total AC. So I am putting AC. OB and OD is what? BD. So 2 times of AC plus BD is greater than AB side plus BC side plus CD side plus AD side. So that is proved here. They are given AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is less than 2 times of AC and BD. What we have proved? 2 times of AC plus BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Both are same only. Okay. Understood? This is fifth problem. Then in the exercise, last problem. In a triangle, two sides are given, 12 and 15 they are given. In what will be the length of the third side we are lying in between? Which number in between the third side will be coming? They are asking this one. Two sides they are given, third side length will be in what range? They are asking. So first I am adding AB plus AC. It is equal to 12 plus 15, 27. So within that 27 it should be there. And I am finding the difference between that one. So AC minus of AB, that will be giving you 15 minus 12, 3. So that means the third side will be ranging from 3 centimeter to 27 centimeter. Okay, 27 centimeter. So third side will be coming 3 centimeter to 27 centimeter. How? It should not exceed 27. Third side. Or it should not below 3, difference between the two sides. It should not below 3. So our range will be 3 centimeter to 27 centimeter. The length of the third side will be there. Okay. Up to this one, we have finished 6.4 exercise. In the later classes, we will go for 6.5 with what are the extra concepts they are given in the triangle. Thank you.